All the very best.
Okay, Ish.
Hi, my name is Ish. Abacus made it very easy for me, and this was the old calculator. In the old times, there was no calculator. There was only Abacus. Abacus is very easy, and I get it very interesting and fun. Now I will show you multiplication questions on Abacus.
On Abacus or mentally?
Mentally.
Mentally, okay. First question is 98.
Mentally, Abacus.
Yeah, so beta, first question is 98 multiplied by 8. Got.
Seven, 8, 4.
Very good. Right answer. Next.
Yay.
Good. 57 multiplied by 6.
342.
Very good. Right answer.
Very good.
Good. Next.
270.
Very good. 270. Right.
Yay.
Good. $78 into 3.
234.
Very good. Right
Yay.
answer. Good. Great. Now, 32 into 8.
256.
Very good.
Wow.
Shabash.
Amazing,
Last question.
Ish.
45 into 6.
276.
270.
70 is the right answer. Okay,
Okay,
well
very
done.
good, beta. Good.
Well
Shabash.
done.
Good.
Well
Well
done.
done. Right answer.
बहुत बढ़िया,
Good.
बहुत बढ़िया.